love working on snowmobiles and three-wheelers, four-wheelers. I like it all, and I just have a real passion for this kind of stuff.
Just like if they were in a dealership, they would go through, they check the tire pressure, check the valves, adjust the cables, change oil filter, just everything they do when they get out into the real world. So we spend a lot of time in the shop, and I think that's probably what the students really do like, is they like that hands-on shop time.
Always loved snowmobiles, love snowmobiling, race them, and I figured, why not? I'm going to make a profession out of this. I'm going to get paid to do what I love. So here I am.
Teachers are good, they really help you. They're there to, make sure you get it, understand it, know it.
Great teachers, we got awesome materials, we got great machines.
We don't just tune a machine up, we actually can rebuild crankshafts, bore cylinders, rebuild shocks. We go a little beyond what maybe some of the local shops might even do. Right now I have more employers, more people calling trying to get technicians, Powersports technicians, than we can supply them. I've never seen so many employers and businesses calling looking for technicians.
Gotten a few places that want to hire me after I graduate.
I really like it, I enjoy it. Hands-on, instructors are good.
Everything's just right in town, easy to get to. The program's really cool because they allow you to bring your own machine in and work on it.
I've been in this business for over 20 years, and it's still fun. That's a good thing, when you're having fun.
If you want to have some fun and ride wheelers for the rest of your life, come and learn, and as long as you got a strong passion for it, I have faith you'll love it.